Hi, welcome to my class with me, Miss Vera. Today we are going to solve a word problem about ratio. Here's the question. The ratio of the number of David's cards to that of Peter's cards was 2 to 3 at first. After Peter gave half of his cards to David, he had 24 fewer cards than David. How many cards did David and Peter each have at first? So, I'm going to write the ratio at first. David to Peter. The ratio for David is 2 and Peter 3. And then after Peter gave half of his card to David, if you notice half of 3, it's gonna be decimal. So what I'm going to do is looking for equivalent ratio of 2 to 3 by multiplying both ratios to 2. Then David's ratio will be 4. Peter's ratio will be 6. Then we can find half of 6. It's 3. So Peter will give his 3 cards to David, and David will receive 3 cards from Peter. So their ratio now, Peter 6 minus 3. David 4 plus 3. So we can write the ratio after will be David 7, Peter will be 3. Because it says that Peter then had 24 fewer cards than David, so you can see the difference between their ratios. 7 units minus 3 units equals to 4 units. 4 units represent 24. Then 1 unit equals to 24 divided by 4 is 6 cards. So 1 unit represents 6 cards. Since the question we need to find how many cards did David and Peter each have at first, so you can see David's ratio at first was 4 units. And we found 4 units represent 24 cards. So David had 24 cards at first. And from the ratio, at first, Peter had 6 units. Then 6 times 6 cards, because 1 unit represents 6 cards. So 6 times 6 is 36 cards. Then David had 24 cards and Peter had 36 cards at first. Okay guys, I hope you understand.